Attention.
Every sunrise is the new opportunity. We should not miss it. We should wake up and enjoy the sun. Myself, Rajnandi Singh from class 8, along with the member of my class, wishing you all a cheerful morning. So we will start our morning assembly with day begun.
School, ready for day begun.
Prayer purify our minds and soul. Start your day with a positive attitude and always smile to the world. So join your hands and close your eyes, ready for the Gayatri Mantra. As a citizen or as a social being of India, we have some duties towards our country. Please instill a sense of patriotism amongst us. Let's take and go with Soumya Sasang. Take place position. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and proud of its
and am proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall strive to be
I shall always
strive to be worthy of its.
worthy of its.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all elders
respect
respect
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I place my devotion
I place my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Vishyam Aryam, which means to make the world noble, said by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Today, Tanmay is saying 10 principles of Arya Samaj.
School, stand ready.
The 10 principles of Arya Samaj are principle number 9. One should not only be content with one's own welfare, but should look for it in the welfare for others also. Principle number 10. One should regard oneself under the restriction to follow altruistic ruling of the society, while all should be free in the following the rules of individual welfare. Thank you.
A small positive thought can change our life. I would like to call.
Good morning everyone, myself Satyabrat Raut of class 5. Today's thought of the day is human values can never be thought, they can only be amplified.
News makes us understand what is happening around the world. Here is Soumya Sai with the latest news headlines.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are now with international news. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed late on Monday announced he had the front line on Tuesday. He had his soldiers declaring we are now in the final stages of saving Ethiopia. Much of northern Ethiopia is under a communist action blackout and access for journalists is restricted, making the battlefield's claims difficult to corroborate. Now some sport news. Green Park tells when a dejected Gavaskar sat in a corner after a mix-up with Gundappa Vishwanath. Rahul ruled out of New Zealand Test Series. Surya Kumar Yadav added to squad. Thank you and have a nice day.
School, attention, ready for prayer song.
Oh, like to call
Morning all. I am Sankalp Snasis presenting today's fact file about dolphins. Fact number 1. Dolphins are mammals which can swim up to 260 meters below the surface of the ocean. Fact number 2. Dolphins are extraordinarily intelligent animals who also display culture. Fact number 3. Dolphins can stay 15 minutes underwater, but they cannot breathe there. They can jump as high as 20 feet out of the water. Fact number 4. Dolphins can communicate through sounds and whistles. Fact number 5. Dolphins use echolocation to find food and navigate. Fact number 6. The largest dolphin is the killer whale and the most known dolphin is the bottlenose dolphin. Thank you.
Every morning brings us new thoughts, new words. So now Subbalakshmi is presenting you thoughts of the day and words of the day.
Today's word is eradicate. Its spelling is E-R-A-D-I-C-A-T-E. Its meaning is destroy completely, as if down to the A-D-I-C-A-T-E. Its meaning is destroy completely, if down to the. Its synonymous effectiveness. Its antonymous impact. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.